work.
What work? Oh God!
I love you. So much. I can't deal with this. You're smart. I love you, Patrick. No, I don't.
Does your best friend hate it when you have cold hands and you do things like this? Next best solution. It's like a personal hand warmer. It's fantastic.
I'm a fucking heating pad.
She is.
Do I get paid for this? And ramen? I'm serious.
She thinks I'm actually gonna pay her.
In ramen?
I don't even have my own ramen.
In something.
I'll pay you in insults.
No, thank you.
Okay. Free service!
Hungry there?
Hi.
She licked me. And this is why you watch us. Because of this.
Because we lick you.
If you still aren't familiar with the layout of this room, don't worry, I'm not either. Because I completely fucking forgot until I was here. Cat ear?
Your hair.
I'm a cat now, mind you. And she has a hairball.
Yep.
What are we doing?
I can't even tell what I'm doing because my heads are kind of looking at it. I'm gonna get pissed.
Kind of looks like he's enjoying it. Oh, not anymore. It'll be fine, Patches. Right after we kill you. Don't worry, YouTubers. He loves it, I promise. Patches, I shouldn't be able to mock you so effectively. Be entertaining, Patches. Entertaining. It's right. And hard. You're free, Patches. Run. He's like, yeah, I ain't moving.
Lies.
Oh, he almost looks like a kitten right there. And then he does that.
He wants to kill me.
Oh, did you see that?
No?
The glove hit him right in the head. I do that with my left hand. Mind you, I'm right-handed. He's pissed. This is a short vlog.
Yeah.
Here, hold the camera while I pack. Because I need to pack.
I'm holding the camera while she packs.
Because I couldn't guess that before.
Yeah. Even though you said it.
Because the internet is a little bit slow. Sorry, internet.
A little bit?
Well, they do have Google. Oh! I didn't just fall. It's fine.
Quit dying.
No, I want to die.
Do you like my pants, guys? They're blue and they're fuzzy and they're warm and they got peace signs on them.
They have peacocks on them.
I
want to see your peacock.
Your peacock. Oh.
I'm folding up wires.
Uns?
I guess. It can be. I guess. Right, Internet? Right? Where's the wire? There it is.
Battery's almost dead.
Yeah.
Internet, you're killing our camera. How do you feel about this?
The Internet killed television. Right now, the Internet is killing itself. Why are you suicidal? I don't understand this.
Me either. So, good night, I guess, or something or another.
Something along those lines.
See you tomorrow if we feel like it.
Most likely.
Who are we kidding? We don't love them.
And we'll go to Otaku's. You're blurry.
Really?
I'm sorry.
Okay.